morning, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll see how to represent this decimal number, that is 14.25. Okay, this decimal number in floating point. Okay, we are going to use 32 bit, okay, which is IEEE 754 format. Okay, so 32 bit IEEE format. So how to represent this we will see. So we know that first we have to represent this part 45 in binary. Okay, so by this number. Okay, so how to get right the binary of 45? Just divide by 2. So you'll get 22 this. So 1 0 1 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 1 0 1. This is the equivalent of 45. Similarly 0.25 also you should write in binary. So 0.25 how to write? Okay, uh, so 0.25 into 2 is 0.5. Again 0.5 you need to multiply with 2, you'll get 1. So 0.0. So this is the binary representation of this 45.25. Okay, this is the first step you have to do. First convert the given into binary. Now we have to write the three. First, this this decimal point we want to shift only up to one digit point. Okay, that means here. So how many bits you are shifting? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 bits I'm putting here. Okay, so remaining I'll write as 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is 1 0 1. So 0 1. So how many? So since we have decimal this point 5 times, so you'll get exponential part as 5 into 2 to the power 5. So this is the value, that is 1.01101101 into 10. So this is your exponential for, this is your mantissa part. Okay, so now this, after writing this, you have to write in 32-bit format. Okay, so 32-bit format, how to write this number we will see. So this is the format. Okay, this is IEEE format. So how to write we will see. The first bit is sign bit. So since sign bit, this is positive number, so we have to write 0. This is sign bit. Okay, sign bit which is a MSB bit, so 0 because it is positive. Next bit is the exponential part. Okay, so in the IEEE format of this thing, they added the bias value. Okay, which is 127 for 32-bit. The bias value is 1 for 32-bit format. It is exponential value is biased by 127. So this exponential plus 5 you have to add to this. The equivalent you have to represent binary. Mantissa as it is. This portion. This how many bits? This you have to get as 8 bits. Okay, this will be 8-bit exponential part, and remaining 23 bits will be your mantissa. Okay, this is your mantissa. So this is 0. So what is this 125? This is 132. Okay, this value. So this binary equivalent of this in 8 bits you have to represent. Okay, so that, and mantissa you write these bits. Okay, here that is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Sign bit is 0. This bit the equivalent binary of 132. Okay, 132 is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0